Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Peggy. Chinese New Year is just around the corner. Over the years, things has changed a lot. You can actually find a lot of different Chinese New Year celebrations around town. Well, this week video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own modern Cheongsam to get ready, jump right into the Chinese New Year aroma. Cheongsam, how far it have come. From one-note figure-hugging embroidered silken dress in predictable print, it is now available in material from lace and jacquard to cottons and linen. Cheongsams are a jumpsuit, a pants, and a top. It can be a cape blouse or a flowy frock. These days, we are not just worn Cheongsam during Chinese New Year. We are worn all year round and no one will question why. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. As part of the Chinese New Year celebration, people buy presents, decorations, special fruits, and new clothing. And I hope today's tutorial giving you some ideas for your Chinese New Year wardrobe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Happy Chinese New Year. Bye!